Jody, so the saga seems to continue on a weekly, if not daily basis, with insurance companies slashing or doing away with Medicare commissions on first year plans. And this does pose considerable challenges to the advisors that we're working with. But where do you see opportunity in this difficult culture that we're dealing with right now?
Yeah, so on the Medicare Advantage space, you're right. We're also hearing on the Medicare Supplement space that premiums are going up, and that's really where an opportunity presents itself. Obviously, an annuity can be, if structured right, can provide the income that a retiree would need to cover those premiums. But, we've been advocates for many, many years now on the use of an annuity to solve income supplemental issues, whether it's supplementing Social Security, whether it's supplementing a pension, whether it's a person that doesn't have a pension at all, utilizing the benefits of an annuity to solve those supplemental income needs. And the value, the peace of mind that comes to a retiree that the advisor can bring to them. But in your experience, how does an agent or advisor go about that conversation of utilizing an annuity to create income for a need?
Well, peace of mind is key. And so when they're discussing that these premiums have gone up, it's a great time for them to just pose the question, do you have a plan to incorporate this extra cost into your monthly cash flow budget? And we know that these costs are not going to go down. Things just get more and more expensive. So it's not just something that they need to plan for, for this year or next year, but in perpetuity throughout the next, 10, 15, 20 years. So it opens up that conversation to take a look at their retirement income plan. We know a lot of folks don't even have one of those. So you can get them thinking, get them out of that, pigeonhole the advisor into that Medicare only space, and then introduce other products and services and the peace of mind that annuities can bring by portioning off a portion of their assets for that guaranteed income stream. So they're not going to be happy to learn that they are going to have to pay extra, as Medicare beneficiaries, but they can offer them a solid plan to cover that cost and reinstate that peace of mind.
Absolutely. I couldn't agree more. If they want to talk to you about how to structure such a plan, would they do that, Bianca?
Pick up the phone, give me a call, 860-956-5377, or you can email me at bianca@jegoss.com.
Great. Always appreciate your insights and have a great rest of your week.
Sounds good. Thank you, Jody.